Hey guys, I'm back. So today we're gonna do something called Dragon. So this program goes, there's this man going on an adventure and he sees this cave and he sees a dragon, and we're gonna put two choices. One, the dragon will gobble him up, or two, the dragon gives him treasure. So it's basically luck. So let's begin. First, we gotta import random, since it's kind of random. Get it? And we have to then do import time. Here we have two import statements. We import the random module like we did in the guess the number game. In Dragon Realm, we'll also want some time related function that time module includes. So we'll import that as well. Now give it a space. We write define def for short, display intro, display intro, and then we put two brackets and a colon. Print you're in a land full of dragons in front of you, comma. Okay, so print you are in a land full of dragons. So put an exclamation. Let me make this bigger. Maybe, nope. Let's see if I can make the text bigger. I don't think so. Oh well. Expand word. Never mind. We can work this out later. You're in a land full of dragons. In front of you. And then let's stop right here to make it look. You'll see why I'm stopping right here. In front of you. Okay, so this is basically one sentence, and so we're gonna make a paragraph like sentence. If you do it all in one, like if you make it this long in just one print, it'll do it as long as it is. It'll just print exactly what you do. But if you have multiple, so like print right here, oh no, not right there. Never mind. I'll just, if you have print right here, and then you have a print right here, then you would have sort of a paragraph sentence. No, it's just a paragraph. So this will make a big paragraph. So now we're printing, you see two caves. You see, remember, we don't want to capitalize the Y since it's a connection to this, and there's a comma right here. You see two caves. And then we'll put a period. In one cave, the dragon is friendly. So we write in one cave. Uh-oh. Somebody hit the cap lock. In one cave, the dragon is friendly. So the dragon is friendly. Then we're not done yet, so we'll just close it and then get another. Oh no, we'll go to the second print and we'll share his treasure with you. And oh sorry, and we'll share his treasure with you. The other dragon, let's just stop right there. The other dragon, and then we put close and close, and then oh, always happens. Will gobble you, will eat you on sight. So no, sorry, the other dragon is greedy and hungry. Is greedy and hungry. Comma, and will eat you on sight, and will eat you on sight. Let's put a period, close, close, and then let's write print, and then do to say everything's done. So this shows a new type of statement. This shows a new type of statement, the define statement. The DEF statement is made of the word def keyword followed by a function name with parentheses and then a colon, the colon sign, the sign. There is a block after the statement called the def block. So this would be the def keyword, so right here, and this would be the function name. Got it? And so this is the parentheses, and this is the colon. Okay, let's see what's next. The def statement isn't a call to function named display intro. Instead, the def statement means we are creating or defining a new function that we can call it later in our program. After we define this function, we can call it the same way we call the other functions. When we call this function, the code inside the def block will be executed. So if you call def again, this whole thing would be executed. So this, I believe, executes it. Okay, now let's skip a line. One sec. Okay, let's do it again. Def choose cave. Oh god, I messed up already. Choose cave, and then parentheses and colon. Now let's write cave equals to, we don't know, so we'll leave it as blank blank. Nope, that's the wrong one. Blank blank. While cave doesn't equal to 1 and cave doesn't equal to 2, print which cave you go into, 1 or 2. So let's do that. While cave so doesn't equal, remember, is exclamation and equal sign. So we do 1 and then we do and cave again, exclamation equals to. That's 1, exclamation 2. I'll explain this at the end. We gotta have 8 spaces. So we forgot that colon there. Okay. Print, which cave will you go into, 1 or 2? Okay. Print which cave will you go into? And then we put a question mark, and then we give them the options, 1 or 2. Then close, close, close. Ha, there are 3 close. So then we do cave equals input equals input. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting gobbled up or getting treasure. So now we got to return cave. Okay, now let me explain why we did this. So when we did the def choose cave right here, here we're defining another function called chooseCave. This code in the function will prompt the user to select which cave they should go into. Now this part right here, cave, no, not that part, just this part. This part, inside the chooseCave function, we create a new variable called cave and store a blank string in it. There we'll start a while loop. This while statement contains a new operator, and we haven't seen before, and called AND. Just like the OR, the minus, or times are mathematical operation, and the double equals to or this does not equal to are comparison operators, and the AND operator is a Boolean operator. So let me explain what a Boolean operator is. Boolean logic deals with things that are either true or false. This is why Boolean data type has only 2 values, true and false. Boolean expressions are always either true or false. If the expression is not true, then it's false, and if the expression is not false, then it's true. So Boolean operators compare 2 Boolean values, also called bools, and evaluate into a single Boolean value. Do you remember how the times operator will combine 2 integer values and produce a new integer, the product of 2 original integers? And do you also remember the plus operator that can combine 2 strings and produce a new string value, the concatenation of the 2 strings? Let's just say the sum of the 2 strings, because I don't know what that word is. The AND Boolean operator combines 2 Boolean values to produce a new Boolean value. Here's how the AND operator works. Think of a sentence. Cats have whiskers and dogs have tails. This sentence is true because cats have whiskers is true and dogs have tails is true. But the sentence cat has whiskers and dogs have wings would be false. Even though cats have whiskers, the dogs do not have wings. So dogs have wings is false. So basically, if you put an AND, it will count this whole thing. If one is false, then the whole thing is false. If both is true, then the whole thing's true. If both are false, the whole thing's false. And that's basically how it goes. So it's either true and true, which makes it true, or the rest of the combinations make it false. The AND operator in Python works this way too. If the Boolean values on both sides of the AND keyword are true, then the expression with the operator evaluates to true. If either of the Boolean values are false, or both of the Boolean values are false, then the expression evaluates to a false. Okay, this is part 1 of episode 3, since this might go on for pretty long. Okay, I'll see you next week. Bye!